Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Agriculture and GK. And today we are going to watch GBPUAT MSc Agriculture Entrance Exam Question Paper 2020. All questions are memory based questions. First question is, the writer of Introduction to Principle of Plant Pathology is Mr. R.S. Singh. Next question, tillage is an Anglo-Saxon word. Question third, Falsa is from which family? Answer is Tiliaceae family. Question 4, purine pyrimidine interchange process known as inversion. Question 5, market price also known as selling price. Next question 6, ATMA stands for Agriculture Technology Management Agency. Question 7, NATP or National Agriculture Technology Project launched by which agency? By ATMA. Question 8, in which process immobile elements converts into mobile elements? Process is mineralization. Question 9, in distress cell, market surplus is always high. Question 10, which part of winged bean is edible? Answer is all parts of winged bean are edible. Question 11, which is a preservation method? Asepsis, fermentation and water reduction all are preservation method. Most inert material is, answer is most inert material is glass. What is a soil tilth? Soil tilth is a physical condition of soil. Question 14, soil texture means composition of sand, silt and clay in soil. Question 20, last spray before harvest period known as pre-harvest spray. 21, spreader in insecticide work as adjuvant. Question 22, percentage infestation of disease is known as disease severity. Question 23, cause of Bengal famine is brown leaf spot. Question 24, element which is in chlorophyll and also found in protein is nitrogen. Molybdenum used for to activate nitrate reductase enzyme. Next question, element shows deficiency in old leaves first, which is phosphorus. Question 27, insect biocontrol on which further generation are used? Answer is all methods are used in biocontrol. Generation, insects are phyllocothermic in nature. 29, name or order of insect in which polyembryonic insects are found is Hymenoptera. Question 30, cauliflower originated from which country? Question 31, insect active at dusk time are known as crepuscular. Question 32, insect shows at cool temperature behavior is hibernation. Question 33, technology launched on ICAR Golden Jubilee celebration. Technology is LLB, which is Land to Lab. Question 34, SGGSY merged with which project? Merged with IRDP, which is Integrated Rural Development Program, and where SJSY is Swarna Jayanti Gram Swaraj Kar Yojana. Question 35, San John scale introduced by country China. Next question, Smith-Lever Act comes in 1914. which is related with extension education services. Question 37. Quarantine related with DIPA Act. DIPA is Destructive Insect and Pest Act 1914. Denitrification, also known as nitrate respiration. Question 40. Hue extension method for short period time is campaign. 41. Induce method, example is flag method. Question 42. Beaufort scale used to measure wind velocity. Question 43. Short duration turmeric variety is Pragati. Question 44. Identification of drugs through genomic study is pharmacogenomics. Question 45. Compound has desirable property to become a drug. This type of compound is lead or Pb. Question 46. Unit of solar constant is Langevin. Question 47. Soil color determined by Munsell color chart. Question 48. Only one seller is available in a market. The condition known as monopoly. Question 49. Leafless variety of pea is Aparna. Question 50. Recurrent parent can be used again and again during breeding. Question 51. Cat face disorder related with which vegetable? Answer is tomato. Question 52. Experiment design in which A and B error as usually occur. Answer is factorial RBD. Question 53. Catch crop is also known as contingent cropping. Main component of biogas is methane. Question 54. Monogalacton found in guar or in cluster bean. Question 55. California Wonder is a variety of capsicum annum. Question 56. Microorganism which is known as natural genetic engineer is Agrobacterium. Question 57. Clay dominant in vertisoil is Montmorillonite. Question 58. Vrindavan garden is situated at Karnataka. Question 59. Which is from GK. Somnath temple is situated at Gujarat. Question 60. Tomato variety of CO3 is a mutant of close planting. Question 61. Family of Tectona grandis or tic is Lamiaceae. Crop yield index is indicator of average yield of field. Question 63. Variety of onion is Arca lalima. Question 64. Asia Minor is considered to be origin of which crop? Answer is rice. 65. The amount of water held between field capacity and permanent wilting point known as available water capacity. 66. Macroeconomics is otherwise called as, answer is income employment theory, and demand theory and price theory comes into microeconomics. Question 67. Case term is related with protein. 68. Volatilization, loss of nitrogen is usually occurs in which type of soil? Answer is alkaline soil. Question 70. The computational methodology that tries to find the best matching between two molecules, a receptor and ligand, are known as molecular docking. Question 71. The condition occurs for El Nino is warm temperature at sea surface. Question 72. Origin of pointed gourd is Indian subcontinent. Thank you so much guys to watch this video. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe our channel Agriculture and GK.